Been up on my shit, baby, fuck a label. 100 kept it real, man, through all the years. Always tried to learn from the pioneers. Still didn't get the message, I should dry my ears. I can't wait till I shine when the drama finally clears, so I can get my focus on. I'm writing one of the dopest songs. This music's one of the closest phones I found while I've been holding on. And I never was for showing off, posing for them cameras. Fuck you when the glamorous, this real shit, I can handle this. I kill shit, fuck the championships. Never been a fan of this, off my dick and man a bitch. I just want some sauce, ketchup or the mayo. Flew right overseas, baby, San Diego. Been up on my shit, baby, fuck a label. 100 kept it real, man, through all the years. Always tried to learn from the pioneers. Still didn't get the message, I should dry my ears. I can't wait till I shine when the drama finally clears, so I can get my focus on. I'm writing. Always tried to learn from the pioneers. Still didn't get the message, I should dry my ears. I can't wait till I shine when the drama finally clears, so I can get my focus on. I'm writing one of the dopest songs. This music's one of the closest sounds I found while I've been holding on. And I never was for showing off, posing for them cameras. Fuck you when the glamorous.